Welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making these killer Korean beef bowls, which by the way have 50 grams of protein per serving. If you're not already, you need to get on the high protein breakfast wave. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more recipes like this. Sometimes I like to get the easiest prep item out of the way first, and today that's the sriracha mayo that will be the sauce I finish the bowls with right before eating. I just mix the two ingredients together. This is my preferred ratio of sriracha to mayo. You can use whatever amount suit your taste. Next, I chop the scallions. I'll add the white parts of the scallion in with the beef and save the green for garnish. I also get some cilantro together for garnish. If you hate cilantro, you can leave it out, but I feel as though it adds some needed freshness to this dish. I just give it a rough chop and put it to the side for later. Next, I start on the ingredients for the beef. I mince up some garlic and ginger, taking care to chop it super finely. I add a little bit of salt to the mix because the salt helps further break down the garlic and ginger and it keeps the garlic from sticking to the knife. In a little bowl, I stir together some hoisin, soy sauce, rice vinegar, and sesame oil. This will get poured over the beef before it's finished cooking. I get some oil into a hot pan and then I add the beef. This takes a little while to cook down, so I want to use this opportunity to let you all know that this video is part of a breakfast bowl series that I'll be adding to weekly. Subscribe to my channel to get more videos like this on your feed. Speaking of feed, let's get back to this beef. I've already added in the garlic, ginger, and scallions. I let that cook down a bit and then add the soy sauce mixture. Let that cook down even more and then it's done. I add some roughly chopped kimchi into the bowl that I'll add my cooked rice to. I take the time to stir that together really well so that all of the rice is coated in the kimchi flavors. Next, it's time to portion the bowls. I'll add my beef, rice, and scallions into the containers before starting on the eggs. I do this so as soon as the eggs are finished cooking, I can get them out of the pan and into the bowls. By the way, I give the rice and beef plenty of time to cool before portioning and adding the eggs on top. For a pan this size, I do 4 eggs at a time. I swirl the oil around the pan a bit to get the whites mostly cooked, and as always, I'm only partially cooking the eggs so that on the reheat they're cooked to perfection. The eggs go in, and then the cilantro as a last step before storing away. After I reheat this, I add my sriracha mayo and enjoy. Next video up is the sweet potato Cajun hash. Happy cooking!